Hello, William Drummond here. So you're watching a series of video of Unity game developments, especially 2D RPG platformer game, and you're watching a series of videos. So if you just stumble upon my channel, let me quickly catch you up. So I just I got another channel called Low Digital Art where I create the animation. It's a pretty crappy animation, but I just want a quick attack animation so I can quickly use. I already draw the face, the first basic attack animation. I'm going to actually write the code here. I'm going to actually write the code here to actually make it work, right? So yeah. So let's go back to Unity engine. Where's my Unity engine? Yeah, here. So basically, here's the current situation. So we can move, okay? We can jump, and we can dash. We can let me just jump and dash, okay? And we can like stick using the sword to stick ourselves to the wall. But because of gravity, we're gradually like moving down like this here. And of course, you can also using this to climb. And so what I'm going to do is to first wall jump, okay? Wall jump and then wall jump and then dash, okay? And wall jump and then dash, okay? It's a pretty learning curve, but yeah, I managed to do that, and we can move between different places, okay? And we can do the wall jump, and we can move to the ground and all that. So let's make our first attack animation, because I'm trying to make the combat system right now, because we already made pretty much all of the like traversal thing, so we can actually move our character and left and right and all of that. So what I'm going to do is to, you know the drill. When we want to add something, we can just use our state machine to actually create things. And I'm going to use a C# script, and I'm going to say this will be our player basic attack state. So player basic attack state, right? And now it's a mouthful, but just bear with me. So let's open this, and I'm going to say there will be player state. Okay, really simple one. Delete everything here, and using Alt and Enter, create constructor, and then using the generate functionality, generate code, and override, enter, exit, update, all that. So, boom, automatically create all this code pretty quickly. And then we can go back to player, because we're going to reference the animation. So let's go to top of it here. So first I'm going to declare this with the get and private set. So come on, public. And Copilot did not give me a suggestion, so I have to do that myself. So player basic attack state, basic attack, get and private set. Okay, and I'm going to have the animation. So come on. Yeah, no. So basic attack state will be new. Yeah, basic attack. So I'm going to get the basic attack as exact the same like the keyword for this animation. Okay, really simple one. So you know the drill. Go back here. We got animator. Okay, let me just do quickly. Just wait it out. We got animator attached to the player. Okay, so you know the drill. Just need to add a boolean of basic attack. Basic attack. A boolean, right? So click animator. We got this new clip. Then I'm going to name it player using the same convention, player basic attack animation. Okay. I place it on the script, so I'm going to go back to asset. Okay, can't just move to the asset. Yeah, maybe just move to animation. Okay, back to yeah. So basic attack animation here. Right. So right now, do not have this. So what I'm going to do is to create the animation in my drawing asset. So my drawing main. Yeah. Let me just create a attack. Okay, and let's just make a basic attack. Basic attack. Alright, and I'm going to get all this basic attack PNG file inside here. Okay. Ooh, there's like black spot. I did not clear it. Oh, okay, doesn't really matter. Doesn't really matter because I'm using like preview to remove the background because I forgot to export the transparent background. Doesn't really matter at this point. We can modify that later. Right now, just quickly want a placeholder so you guys know the attack. So basic attack animation, got all thing inside. Okay. But I'm going to change sample to, okay, let me just try 60. Let's go back here. Oh my gosh, it's pretty quick. 30. Well, maybe 20. Okay, 20. Okay, so this I know it's pretty weird. It's pretty weird. Maybe 15. Yeah, pretty good. Already pretty good, but I think the automatic export kind of removed the background that I want. So yeah, so I'm going to do that again because this should be a swirl in the hand. So yeah, do not trust the like previous automatic remove backgrounds. Let's export this again. So I export this again. It should be something like this. Okay, should be something like this. Okay, so I'm going to go back to my game. I'm going to delete all this again. So I'm going to re-export this. Just delete. Doesn't really matter at this point. And I'm going to move inside. Okay, so yeah, let's look at this again. Oh, this much better. That's much better. So I can even make it quicker. On the tag to be much quicker. Yeah. So yeah. So maybe too quick. 15, maybe 15. I think it's. Of course, you can stick to the same example rate, like 10. But this is kind of like pretty slow. I want it to be snappy. So yeah, that really depends on you. This. Okay, so yeah, let's stick with 10 because yeah, it's kind of like a normal attack. So I don't want it to be like too much. Then after upgrade something like that, just to let a player like grind a lot, and then actually can got this more. Okay, and I also want to change the places of the animation as well. So right now it seems okay, so the first one, okay, let's go back to okay, this one, and then this one. Yeah, pretty good. Then everything seems to be too left. I want it to be, so the third, okay, the third, 1 2 3, the third one I want to move it a little bit. So I'm going to change the pivot to custom pivot. I want it to just move a tiny little bit. So what I'm going to do is this is like to left. I want it to be right a little bit, so maybe 0.60. Okay, I'm not sure this will work. Let's just save this. Okay, it's not big number, but smaller number. So yeah, I whole thing got this opposite. So of course you can apply this. Yeah, that's maybe that's better. Let's try this. So 1, 2. Yeah, so just to move forward a little bit. Yeah. Then, okay, obviously this needs to be changed as well. So if you go back here, this is where is it? Clamp custom open 3. All right. So what I'm going to do is to make everything custom and 0.3. Okay, so apply that. This way, everything that's moved forward a tiny little bit, and so I can make the animation more natural rather than just to like move backwards a little bit. Okay. Yeah, pretty good. Pretty good. You can even like rotate this a little bit, but yeah, I think you can live with that. I can live with that. Okay. So if you go back to see this tiny little animation here, you can see in the game it sounds sort of like this. Yeah. I think this is pretty good. So okay. So of course you can use the same old method to make the transition. So make transition, just to stick it here. Make transition, stick to the exits. We just need to have a boolean to actually change things. So basic tag, add this, and then says a boolean basic tag true, then exit here, add basic tag, then false will exit, do not have exit time, and make it snappy. So the transition duration will be just be 0. Okay, so it'll be pretty snappy in and out. And so let's actually trigger this. So I want this attack to, in the maybe in the ground, when actually standing, you can use that. So let's quickly test this area. Okay, so I just say if, okay, if you got input and get key down F for fire. So H for dash, and so maybe G for attack. Okay, so I'm going to get key down, key code. I'm going to just using G for this one. All right, so G and then basic attack state. Okay, so press G, you should be able to enter the attack. Okay, and yeah. Okay, let's quickly test it, right? So it's already nearly 15 minutes. Okay, so let's quickly test this, and if it will work, we'll call it for a day, and we will then modify this later. Okay, so let's just zoom it out tiny little bit. So we can move. Okay, we need to go click here. So we can move. We can dash. Okay. And we can jump and dash. Okay, that's good. And moment of truth. Okay, we can actually attack. But when I attack, okay, there's no exit. So when I press attack, it will continue to attack. That's yeah, pretty good. Attack, pretty good. What about jump attack? Let's jump and attack. Okay, only when touching the ground can I attack. That's pretty good. Okay, that's already pretty good. So G for attack. Okay. I think attack should be like a J or something. So this is with dash and then attack. So the middle finger, this will be dash. So I use dash a lot and then attack. So I'm going to change that to J. So when you press J, then you attack. Okay. So pretty good. And by the way, we also would like to change the animator to here. We want it to have a exit time because we want it to actually play this. Okay, so so this whole process of one animation is 0.5, so the exit time should be 0.5. All right. If you change that to say 15, you should get somewhere here 0.05. Okay, so you should be able to change that as well. 0.5 maybe. Okay, let's quickly test it. Okay, no guarantee it will work. But I just want to test the whole animation should play like full animation rather than just some part of animation. Yeah, we can do that. That's pretty good. And let's test the animation's 15 sample rate. That's pretty good. Okay, so we got this basic attack animation working. And looks pretty good. Okay, so when you press H for dash, J for attack, you can jump. Okay, I need to click this, and you can jump, dash, all that. Everything still works. Nothing broken. So yeah, pretty good. But there are obviously a lot of things need to modify because it's just a basic text. For example, if you want to add a combo, right? I intentionally take this animation so I can add a combo because right now it's just the final frame. It's just you like get it down, but I also wanted to swing it, okay, and then maybe turn around, spin, something like that, okay. But you don't want the basic animation to be too fancy, okay, because if you got it too fancy, there's like no incentive for player to actually level up and learn the skill, okay. So you don't want it too fancy unless this is what you intend to do. But right now I'm pretty satisfied with the like a slash hack and slash sort of animation. I love this. Okay, so yeah, so I'm going to leave you here and see you next video. Don't forget, if you love this series, please give me a thumb up and subscribe to my channel. Okay, and if you're interested in me creating my assets, you can go to my another channel called Learn Digital Arts with William Jamming. Okay, so I share my journey of learning arts at the channel. Okay, so thanks, bye.